The paradox of success: why less intelligent people often earn more. In a world that often equates intelligence with success, the reality can be quite surprising. Picture this: a high-achieving professional with an impressive IQ diligently climbing the corporate ladder, while a less academically inclined individual seemingly breezes past them in the income race. In this video, we'll explore the surprising reasons behind this financial phenomenon. From social skills to sheer luck, you won't believe what really drives success. So, if you're ready to challenge your assumptions and uncover the secrets of financial success, hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. Number 1. Smart people fill in high-prestige jobs. Smart people often gravitate toward high-prestige jobs, professions like academia, research, and specialized fields that require advanced degrees and deep knowledge. While these roles come with respect and intellectual satisfaction, they often lack the financial rewards seen in less intellectually demanding fields. In contrast, individuals who may not have the same level of formal education or intelligence often find success in sales, entrepreneurship, or other high-earning professions that prioritize interpersonal skills and risk-taking. These dumb individuals may thrive in environments where charisma, adaptability, and a strong work ethic outweigh traditional intelligence. As a result, they can accumulate wealth more quickly than their highly educated counterparts, highlighting a crucial truth: intelligence and prestige don't always translate to financial success in today's competitive landscape. Number 2. The daily upside. The daily upside explores the intriguing dynamic of how less intelligent individuals can sometimes out-earn their smarter peers. While high-intelligence individuals often fill prestigious roles in academia, research, or corporate management, positions that may not always offer lucrative pay, those who possess strong social skills and a knack for risk-taking can thrive in high-earning fields like sales, real estate, or entrepreneurship. These dumb individuals leverage their ability to connect with others, navigate challenges, and seize opportunities, often leading to greater financial success. Furthermore, the reality of today's job market emphasizes that success is not solely determined by IQ. Traits like resilience, adaptability, and emotional intelligence can significantly influence earning potential. Ultimately, this phenomenon challenges traditional notions of intelligence and wealth, revealing a more nuanced relationship between the two. Number 3. Survivorship bias. Survivorship bias plays a crucial role in understanding why less intelligent individuals can sometimes earn more than their more intelligent counterparts. This cognitive bias occurs when we focus on successful individuals while ignoring those who didn't make it, leading to skewed perceptions. For instance, we often see high-earning entrepreneurs and salespeople who may not be highly educated or conventionally intelligent, overlooking countless others who failed in similar ventures. These survivors showcase a distorted narrative of success, making it seem that intelligence is less important. In contrast, intelligent individuals may pursue traditional high-prestige careers that offer stability but lower financial rewards. By recognizing survivorship bias, we can better understand that the path to wealth is influenced by various factors beyond intelligence, including luck, timing, and social skills. Number 4. Risk tolerance and ambition. Risk tolerance and ambition are key factors that help explain why less intelligent individuals can sometimes earn more than their highly intelligent counterparts. People who may not excel academically often possess a higher appetite for risk, allowing them to pursue unconventional paths such as entrepreneurship or high-stakes sales. Their willingness to embrace uncertainty can lead to significant financial rewards, while intelligent individuals might prefer the security of stable, traditional careers, often prioritizing caution over risk. Additionally, ambition plays a vital role. Those with lower intelligence may be driven by a desire to prove themselves, leading them to seize opportunities that others might overlook. This combination of risk tolerance and relentless ambition can propel less intelligent individuals into lucrative positions, highlighting that financial success is not solely a product of intellect, but also of mindset and behavior. Number 5. Perception of intelligence. The perception of intelligence significantly influences why less intelligent individuals can sometimes earn more than their smarter peers. Society often equates intelligence with academic success and traditional knowledge, but this view overlooks other forms of intelligence, such as emotional and social intelligence. Less intelligent individuals may excel in areas like networking, communication, and adaptability, which are crucial for financial success. Their ability to connect with others and navigate social dynamics can lead to lucrative opportunities, particularly in sales and entrepreneurship. Furthermore, the perception of intelligence can also lead to bias in hiring and promotions, favoring those who fit conventional molds of success rather than recognizing diverse talents. Ultimately, understanding intelligence as a multifaceted trait broadens our perspective on success and highlights the diverse paths to financial achievement. Number 6. Work ethic and persistence. Work ethic and persistence are vital factors that help explain why less intelligent individuals can sometimes earn more than their highly intelligent counterparts. While intelligence may open doors to prestigious jobs, it doesn't always guarantee success or resilience in the face of challenges. Less intelligent individuals often possess a strong work ethic, driving them to put in long hours and relentless effort in pursuit of their goals. Their persistence in overcoming obstacles can lead to significant achievements, especially in fields that reward hard work, like sales and entrepreneurship. In contrast, highly intelligent people may become complacent or easily discouraged when faced with setbacks, as they often rely on their intellect rather than hard work. Ultimately, the combination of strong work ethic and determination can outweigh intelligence, demonstrating that success is often about effort and perseverance rather than intellect alone. Number 7. Luck and timing. Luck and timing play significant roles in understanding why less intelligent individuals sometimes out-earn their more intelligent peers. While intelligence can provide a solid foundation for success, it is often serendipitous events and being in the right place at the right time that drive financial achievements. Less intelligent individuals may stumble upon lucrative opportunities, such as starting a business during a market boom or capitalizing on trends before others. Additionally, their willingness to take risks can lead them to ventures that more cautious, intelligent individuals might avoid. In contrast, highly intelligent people may overanalyze situations, missing out on timely opportunities. This interplay of luck and timing highlights that success is not solely based on intellect. Rather, it often hinges on seizing opportunities as they arise, demonstrating that fortune favors the bold. Number 8. Value of conformity. The value of conformity significantly contributes to the phenomenon of less intelligent individuals often earning more than their highly intelligent peers. In many workplaces, fitting in and adhering to company culture can be more advantageous than innovative thinking. Less intelligent individuals often excel in environments that prioritize teamwork and compliance, where following established protocols leads to steady progress and promotions. Their ability to blend in and support collective goals may be recognized and rewarded more than the creativity or critical thinking of their intelligent counterparts who might challenge the status quo. Ultimately, this emphasis on conformity can create a financial advantage for those who prioritize alignment with organizational norms over independent thought, revealing a surprising path to success that diverges from traditional views of intelligence. And there you have it. It's clear that financial success isn't just about intelligence. It's a complex interplay of risk-taking, persistence, social skills, and yes, sometimes a little bit of luck. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Have you experienced the surprising relationship between intelligence and income? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.